Gardening doesn't have to rely on expensive fertilizers or slow composting methods that take months to show results. With a few smart techniques, you can turn everyday kitchen and garden waste into powerful, nutrient-rich plant food right at home. These natural methods not only improve soil health, but also make your garden more sustainable and productive. In this video, we will learn about 4 best methods that will improve your garden soil health, its productivity, and ultimately your harvest. Method number 1, Inground mudpot composting system. This method is ideal for continuous, low-maintenance composting that feeds plants directly in the soil without needing to move materials around. It slowly releases nutrients exactly where roots can absorb them. Start by taking a glazed mud pot and soaking it thoroughly in water to prevent cracking while making holes. Once soaked, carefully create small holes around the sides and near the bottom of the pot so that microbes, worms, and liquids can pass through easily. Dig a hole in your garden bed or large container. And place the pot inside. Keeping its top edge slightly above the soil surface. Fill the surrounding area with soil and press it gently to hold the pot firmly in place. Begin adding kitchen waste, such as fruit peels and vegetable scraps, into the pot, which will gradually decompose inside. Sprinkle a small layer of compost over the waste to introduce beneficial microbes and speed up the breakdown process. Cover the top with organic materials like mulch, dry leaves, or cardboard to prevent pests and maintain moisture. When you water your plants, or when it rains, moisture will enter the pot and support decomposition. As the waste breaks down, nutrient-rich liquid slowly seeps out through the holes into the surrounding soil. This creates a natural feeding system where plants receive a steady supply of nutrients directly at their roots. Over time, the covering material also decomposes and adds even more organic matter to the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Method number 2, 48-hour fast seed germination technique. This method helps you identify strong seeds before planting, saving time, and ensuring better germination success. It reduces seed waste and gives your plants a healthier start right from the beginning. Start by placing a burlap sack flat on a clean surface, as it holds moisture well while allowing airflow. Lay a piece of tissue paper on top to create a soft, moisture-retaining layer. Spread your cucumber seeds on the tissue, keeping space between them so they don't overlap. Cover the seeds with another layer of tissue paper to maintain moisture from both sides. Use a spray bottle to gently moisten the tissue without disturbing the seeds, ensuring it is damp but not soaked. Fold the burlap sack around the tissue like a wrap to trap moisture inside and protect the seeds. Lightly sprinkle water on the outside of the sack to keep the environment humid. Place the wrapped sack in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight to prevent drying. Leave it undisturbed for about 48 hours while the seeds absorb moisture and begin germination. During this time, the seed coat softens and tiny roots start to emerge. After 2 days, open the sack and check for sprouted seeds with small white roots. Carefully take the germinated seeds and plant them into small holes in moist soil with the root facing downward. Cover gently with soil and water lightly to support further growth. This method ensures you only plant viable seeds, improving efficiency and success in your garden. Method number 3, self-feeding garden bed preparation. This method creates a long-lasting, nutrient-rich soil that feeds plants naturally over time without constant fertilizing. It turns everyday organic waste into a steady source of nutrition for your garden. Begin by selecting a garden bed, raised bed, or open soil area where you want to grow plants. Gather organic materials like kitchen scraps, vegetable leftovers, and fruit peels that would otherwise be thrown away. Chop larger materials, such as overgrown vegetables, into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Spread these chopped materials evenly across the soil surface to form the base layer. Add fruit peels and other nutrient-rich scraps on top to increase the diversity of organic matter. Cover everything with a layer of garden soil to start the decomposition process and prevent pests. On top of this, add a layer of well-aged manure, which provides essential nutrients and beneficial microbes. Break apart any large chunks of manure and spread it evenly to create a smooth surface. Water the entire bed thoroughly to activate microbial activity and begin decomposition. Allow the bed to rest for about 2 to 3 weeks while soil organisms break down the materials. During this time, keep the soil slightly moist to maintain active decomposition. As the materials decompose, they release nutrients slowly into the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Method number 4. Fast layered composting with compost tea. This method is perfect if you want to speed up composting and quickly create rich fertilizer for your plants. It uses a balance of organic materials and a powerful microbial liquid to accelerate decomposition naturally. Start by choosing a spare garden bed or open space where you can spread your compost layers. Begin with a layer of chopped vegetables, as they are rich in nitrogen and help activate microbial activity. Sprinkle a small amount of compost or manure over this layer to introduce beneficial microbes. Add another layer of vegetables or fallen leaves. Followed again by a light sprinkling of compost to keep the process active. Next, include a carbon-rich layer, such as dried leaves or dried grass, and add some garden soil on top to improve microbial diversity and airflow. Continue layering with fruit peels like banana skins, citrus peels, or apple cores. And again, add a small amount of compost to boost decomposition. Once all layers are in place, Cover everything with mulch to retain moisture and protect the pile from drying out. Now prepare a simple compost tea by mixing compost in a bucket of rainwater and letting it sit for about 24 hours while stirring occasionally. Pour this liquid evenly over the entire compost pile so microbes can quickly spread through every layer. This boosts microbial activity, allowing materials to break down faster and more evenly. Maintaining moisture and a balance of green and brown materials will keep the compost active and productive. Over time, this method transforms waste into rich, dark fertilizer much faster than traditional composting. Method number 2.